What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D Brooks coming with another video. Today I wanted to go over something that was kind of just brought to my attention. It's something that maybe other people aren't aware of, but I wanted to make sure that I shared it because I know about it now. I haven't installed it yet, so bear with me, but did you know that you can get special pucks to lift your Corvette? So if you didn't know, they actually make lifting pucks for lifting your Corvette. If you have a C6 and I believe C5s too, they have a couple different types. They got these aluminum kind that are more like permanent, and then they got the temporary kind that are more like, you know, temporary obviously, but basically they go up in the bottom of the frame and lock in like this, and then you can lift the car up, so you got somewhere to actually lift the car up instead of you know, mistakenly, you know, getting your fenders or the plastic underneath the car. It gives you somewhere to lift the car up. So I'll be using these probably immediately, and then when I get time and I feel like doing it, I'm gonna put these on. These will be like a more permanent setup. Basically the same thing. They'll lock in with these little keyways or whatever, and then they'll stay underneath the car. But you know, for you know, you need something on the quick and you don't want to always leave them on, or you need a clearance issue, you can put these in. They go into the frame and then they turn like that, and then basically that's how you lift the car up. So yeah, this is my C6 right here, but yeah, underneath the car they have, oh, man, it's low under here. Yeah, underneath the car, basically, I'll just post a picture of what it looks like underneath the car because I can't even get my camera underneath the car. Mine's, you know, pretty much stock ride height. So if you're lowered, it's even tighter. So I recommend, you know, maybe like a long reach jack if you don't have one. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Something that, you know, I was made aware of. You want to get some of these for the bottom of your Corvette, or these are a little bit thicker, more of a temporary use. You put them in, the rubber, the plastic, and then these are like semi-permanent. You could take them back out if you really want to, but they are, you know, kind of like a permanent solution. They're aluminum. I'll put the links in the description. I got like some Amazon links y'all can click on if y'all want to get these. I don't think they were very expensive. I think they were like $14 for the plastic rubber ones, and then like $20 for the more permanent aluminum ones. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to see any more, you got any more questions, make sure you let me know. And y'all have a good one. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.